Good evening. It's me again, Shannon Murphy Esquire Sr., appropriate here, the Executive Office, Sheetmetal Associates, a legal advisory and document company. Still remain here, Pittsburgh, California, Contra Costa County. Today, um, I'm going to share with you via YouTube. Thank you very much, YouTube. An appropriate indications for where there's fraud, has been fraud attending, and now they're very disrespectful. Harassment has been just added to the jurisdictions for causes of actions. I comply, maybe even amend a complaint later on. Well, right now we have this complaint. We have this filed here on February the 18th, 2020. It's filed against the Employment and Human Services, Contra Costa County. There's your case number there, concerned. And what happened was, here's our summons there, appropriate there also. And here's our complaint. What happened was, you get this right here. You get a county, a Medi-Cal card. This is a Medi-Cal card right here. And I got this little deal for free. I get a free Medi-Cal card. I never fill out this right here. This is a 1 inch. This right here is a 1 inch thick in thickness. This is an application for Medi-Cal. It's about a quarter of inch thick, quarter of inch in thickness. I never filled this out. It comes in an envelope like this. It says something like Medi-Cal on the bottom and all that good stuff. So it discourages me, and really I'm intimidated by it. But it is very rude that I just go and get this card right here with my name printed on a beautiful card, and I get it for free in the mail. And I says, you know what? I'm a veteran soldier here. It is very disgraceful, disrespectful, then upon disgraceful that I get a Medi-Cal card for free, and I've been trying to get benefits for I don't know how long for VA jurisdictions. But you're just gonna hand me a Medi-Cal card, my state tax dollar appropriate concessions, your tax dollar appropriate concessions, and for free? Come on now, without me filling out the application, the quarter inch thick application, and getting a grant of approval. No, I'm not gonna go for that. So anyway, I filed my lawsuit against them after we had the appropriate hearing. Here, I have a hearing here. The hearing regards Department of Social Services. Your case has been scheduled for a telephone hearing. Had that hearing on January 18, 2017. Way back in 17, I took a little time. I took the deadline to file my fraud case. It's 3 years for fraud. Well, anyway, here's the decision letter from the state after that hearing that was supposed to take place on January 18th, as the introductory documents, state communications displayed there. I had, and what it is, it says here. Get this down here. What it says is, in the summary jurisdictions here. The summary jurisdictions. Here's an ALJ hearing summary from the state of California. Says county and claimant agree that claimant had not requested Medi-Cal benefits, and that the county determined him eligible by mistake in response to his request for county general assistance. County terminated the Medi-Cal benefits effective November 30th, 2016, following a county eligibility worker confirming with claimant that he did not want Medi-Cal benefits. November 30th, 2016 was the earliest that benefits could be terminated by county, following the November 9th 2016 confirmation that claimant had not applied for and did not want the benefits. The parties stipulated that such actions was appropriate and that a decision in order describing the above situation was appropriate. There being no further action to be taken, this claim is dismissed as moot. That's true. Okay. That moot part was probably intimidating. You know, it was I'd avoid to put that as moot. What it meant is when you were making the decision to get the benefits, here, this was just a documented hearing to document the misappropriations there of state funds and or county funds on bottom of that. But anyhow, the judge was pretty good there, Judge, and I appreciate his comments there. All I needed was by mistake, and they were negligent. I served them by a county sheriff's department here. I served the Employment and Human Services here with the sheriff. They get served. Yeah, Mr. Brother County, I'm going to sue the county sheriff's department pretty soon because they didn't see. Look at this. I personally served, delivered documents listed in item 2 to the party or person authorized to receive service of process for a party and 1 on such and such. You got to put a name in there. You know, you can't just put I served it to the party. You got to put a name, his title, his relativity to the effects of the business there, concerns their employment and human services. You can't just put, oh, I served it to the party there. No, you can't do that. The sheriff's been aggravating me pretty much, but you know they've been pretty good. We've been arrested for years, but you don't just do that. You know, you don't indicate that the party without a specific name and title for that person, especially at a county business or a government business, as such appropriate service. Now, all in all, we got over that. We sued them. We got some pretty rude correspondence. Now, after I served a summons by the sheriff's department, I get this right here from them, from the county. They have what they call an office of the county council. Okay, now this is what they say. He says the county council says, I represent the Contra Costa County in this matter. Please direct all further correspondence regarding this action to my attention. I am informed that you recently served the Employment and Human Services Department of the county with respect and entry of default in this matter. Please be aware that due to the COVID-19 pandemic, the Sacramento County Superior Court has been closed since March 20th, 2020. The court's current under order state that the court will be closed through May 15th, 2020. Therefore, the county has been made unable to file response to the complaint you filed on your request for entry of default. Defective, is defective, inappropriate. Bull crap! You don't call my stuff inappropriate. And then how they responded. Now that's a letter that conforms just to the default. They had default. What happened? They didn't answer the summons in time. So they sent this letter in place of that when they got booted of default documents. The default documents, by the way, were conform just. I did file them. Here those are right here. They defaulted the summons. I entered the default here. It was supposed to get me an automatic win on the case there. But they're going to blame it on COVID-19 bull crap. Here, they could have sent something down there. But they're going to send this down there. Look, after I already explained this to the public by YouTube also. This is what they answered for. I have warned them, too, not to do it. There was going to be a defamation of my character. It says, notice of filing by vexatious litigant by defendant Contra Costa County declaration of Patrick Hurley. Mr. Hurley is very, very disrespectful.